Fisheries Management and Ecology Fostering Knowledge Exchange haiba hiramda numit humni chupna chathagadaba international workshop ngasidage Manipur University da chathaba haukhre. Workshop asi Germany gi Institute of Inland Fisheries Potsdam Germany amadi Leibniz Institute of Freshwater Ecology and Inland Fisheries na mapung oiba thaudang lauduna ngayok pagi matangda chathariba GIS Nirak program gi makhada Manipur University gi Department of Geology amadi ICR Directorate of Coalwater Fisheries Research Vimtalga khutsamna duna chathabane. Manipur University gi VC Court Hall da pangthokiba workshop adu haudokpagi thauramda athoiba mithunglen oikhiba Manipur University gi Vice Chancellor Professor Naurem Lokendra na nga pamna chana balamda oiriba Manipurda ngasidi matamgi matungina marang kaina fanglamba nga makhal kaya nongmagi mangsilakli ithai verage amadi Loktak Hydropower Project lakpadagi lawfam kaya ising thomjin khiduna law uba yadana leiriba mafam kaya ngayok farm oina onthoknarakli oirakli batanja asida akhang hai singa tanaduna anoba makhalgi kanglon ama khutlai matengna ngagi pothok hena puthokpa ngamnaba hotna haubagi tangai fadaba lei haikhe mahakna makha taraduna state asida puthokliba nga singasina konada badagi mapan lamdagi nga leibada chatliba yamlaba senfam asi chatanaba nga mi singnasu anoba makhalgi kanglon sing ngakna ngagi pothok hena puthoknaba hotnamina si hainasu paujelki thoramaduda Potsdam Institute of Inland Fisheries PIIF Germany Director Dr. Uwe Bramik, PIIF Germany Head Dr. Jefferson Tyrell Deweber, School of Life Science and Agriculture Science Manipur University Dean Professor GKN Chetrisu Sarukyaki.
Pisciculture as an alternative way of life of the local communities should be encouraged. That is an alternative way of life because in Manipur we have only single cropping system and agriculture has become very, very unsustainable when we give the in-depth analysis, say cost-benefit analysis, investment in agriculture and the return, it has become not very, very productive, and therefore good number of agricultural farmers, they have started converting themselves into fish farmers, and I think this is a good idea. This is a very tenable and workable and a sustainable kind of a thing.